awesome because I don't get to do this too often. Today my main goal is to catch a big one. I've been catching a lot of small 1 to 2 pounders out of this lake. My goal for today is to catch one over 3. So I got a few baits tied on that should catch some bigger fish. I got jigs, crankbaits, spinner baits, and even a swim bait tied on. So hopefully we can get on some bigger fish. I'm going to start off in some deeper water with my crankbait, and then I might move up to some more shallow water after and fish my spinner bait and my swim bait afterwards. So stay tuned and we should be able to get on some fish today. Yeah. There's a fish right there. Feels very small, but there's a fish on the crankbait. Oh, it's a pickerel. Look at that. That's what I don't want. They have teeth and they cut your line. You take your baits. But I caught a fish, so I'm happy. It's only been like 10 minutes, so here it is, pickerel. Alright, the first fish of the day, chain pickerel, about 1.5 pounds. Awesome. Alright, try to catch some more. Got him. Big one. Not that big, but it's a good sized one. There you go. There's a good one right there. Crush the swim bait. Not quite 3, but I'll give it 2. Alright. Ugly looking fish. Might be starting to spawn. I say 2 pounds for that one. Alright, so let it go. That one came on the Gambler Big Easy right there. Right here next to me in the shallow water on this grass. He hit it so hard. So hard. Another decent one. There you go, another 2 pounder, 1.5 2 pounder. There you go. He's about 1.5. He's not quite 2 like the last one. Barely hooked. Skin hooked. Alright, second one of the day on the little swim bait. See if we can catch any more. Oh, you kidding me? Just got smacked. He took my third craw, and he already took it. I've been through so many craws because I've been getting so many bites with this jig, but I haven't been able to land any of the fish. I've just been missing them because I'm not paying attention. I know with the jig you can get some bigger bites and catch a lot bigger fish. So that's why I'm sticking to it, even though I'm not catching the fish that I'm getting bites with. You gotta keep plugging away. We should be able to get one on this jig. I know if I get one on this jig, it's going to be a bigger one because it's the jig, and that's usually what happens. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. Got that fish. He hit so hard. What the heck? Another nice bass. Choked it. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah, that one might be 3 actually. Alright. Choked that jig. Look at that. He really wanted it. That's awesome. I knew there was one over there. I missed him twice. Finally got him the 3rd time. There you go. Alright, this one might be 3 actually. I'll give this one 2.5 pounds. I'll give this one 2.5, 3 pounds. Beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go. I didn't bring a scale with me, so I'm not sure, but I'll give this fish 2.5. Awesome. On this little jig, I knew if I kept fishing it, I'd get a bigger one on it, and that's what happens with jigs. I missed about 5 bites on it. The one fish came off too, so. So I keep fishing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and fish the jig along the docks back to the beach, and that's probably when I'll get picked up. There's one. Oh, I told you there's one right there, but I missed him. Forgot to reel up my slack. See now, I'm so mad at myself. I freak out every time and set the hook with too much slack line. Every single time. Alright, there's the end. I see my dad pulling up, pick me up. So, I ended up catching 4 or 5 fish today. 1 pickerel and a few bass. It was a good day, I think. It's better than staying home and doing nothing though, that's for sure.